Hello, today I will be comparing Keurig KDuo hot and ice SingleServe&Carafe coffee maker versus AMZCHEF Espresso machine with LCD display. Be sure to watch to the end and I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the product science description. Type of coffee: AMZCHEF is better. Brewing capacity: Keurig is better. Programmability: AMZCHEF is better. Brew strength control: AMZCHEF is better. Iced coffee brewing: Keurig is better. Hot coffee brewing it's time. LCD display interface: AMZ better. Milk frozen: AMZ better. Water reservoir: Keurig is better. Heating speed: AMZ better. Ease of use: Keurig is better. Filter type: Keurig is better. Size and portability: Keurig is better. Cleaning: Keurig is better. Footprint design: Keurig is better. Build quality: AMZ is better. Special features: Keurig is better. Price: Keurig is better. Who is best for Keurig is better. Coffee quality: AMZ is better. Durability: AMZ better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the AMZCHEF Espresso machine with LCD display. The link to buy it is in the video description.